So Judy, how was your health like before you came and met Dr. James?
Yes, I had a problem with scoliosis that created a lot of other areas that were not functioning too well. So I was kind of trying to adjust my body because it's really pulling me onto one side, and it created tiredness and all that.
And did you notice improvements right away? Was it a while back or?
Well, I've been coming here for a year, so I cannot really remember how was it at the first time, but I know that when I have any kind of adjustment or even a massage, my body reacts to it, and so sometimes I gotta just relax for the rest of the day. So I'm sure that it kind of happened the same way.
Perfect. And you feel comfortable coming here? Do you like the environment that LifeWorks has here?
Very much so. Everybody's extremely friendly, and I get the best service here. I go home with a smile on my face and a big hug from Dr. James. Yes.
And how has this changed your life? Has it changed your life? Have you gotten...
It's much better, although, you know, I'm a little bit older than I should have come here a long time ago, but anyways, it's not all healed, but it's dramatically changed. So I don't have to adjust myself all the time like I used to. And yeah, it feels more normal. I feel more normal in my body and more comfortable.
More comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And why would you recommend LifeWorks with Dr. James and Nicole?
I don't know Dr. Nicole, but Dr. James is very, very nice, and he kind of knows where to touch you, where to do the adjustment. I feel, anyways, I'm very much into my body. I know my body, and it's not only that you get an adjustment, you know, and the friendly atmosphere, but also, you know, there is a lot of education about health and your body and everything else, and I really do like that. I appreciate it.